Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
For this operation, get hold of the diesel fuel filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. In order to replace the diesel filter, it is first necessary to raise the front of your vehicle and take off the front right-hand wheel. This will give you access to the diesel fuel filter. Raise the front of the vehicle and put it in the two-axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. You now have to take off the front right mudguard to access the diesel fuel filter. Pull back the holding hooks on the mudguard using pliers. Slide the pliers as far in as possible under the hook and make small back and forward movements, pulling the hook towards you. This will avoid breaking the hooks, so you will then be able to use them again. You can now take off the mudguard. You can now see the diesel filter. With a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, unscrew the 3 screws from the metal protective plate on the filter. Take a liquid collector for the diesel that will flow out of the filter. You can learn how to make one by watching another of our videos, how to make a collector for liquids. Then disconnect each hose, push down with a flathead screwdriver on the coloured part of the connector. Then at the same time, pull on the hose. Unclip the filter by pushing upwards in order to free it from its housing. Still using a flathead screwdriver, remove the electric connector. You can then unscrew the water pressure sensor by holding it and turning the filter anti-clockwise instead of the sensor to avoid damaging the wiring.
Please support us. Subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
With a socket wrench and a T30 torque socket, unscrew the 5 screws on the cover of the diesel fuel filter. Unscrew the 5 concrete screws on the cover of the diesel fuel filter. Then, with a flathead screwdriver, delicately lever it off in order to remove the screw mount. In the box of your new Perflux filter, a tool is provided to easily open the cartridge. Fix the tool on the location of the water pressure sensor. All you need to do now is to hold everything and hit the base of the tool on the workbench to open the cartridge. You can also complete the process by lifting the upper metal plate. Then, using a flathead screwdriver, delicately lever the edge of the cover to extract it. Do the same movement with the filter. Clean the filter of the cartridge as well as the cover using a brake clean fluid and a piece of tissue. Then, remove the rubber O-ring from the cover. Take the new filter and the different elements supplied with it. Oil the joint of the cover and put it in place on the cover. Take the new filter and insert it into the cartridge. With a flathead screwdriver, put the water pressure sensor joint back in place, having oiled it beforehand. You can now close the filter cartridge by pushing down firmly with your thumbs. Put the screw mount in place. As well as the upper metal plate, aligning them with the cartridge plane. Screw the 5 screws back onto the cover. We recommend screwing them back in bit by bit to ensure a perfect seal. Screw the water pressure sensor back on the filter. Reconnect the electric connector. Reconnect the new filter hose by hose. Reclip the new filter into its housing. Put the metal protection plate back on the filter and screw the 3 screws back in. You can now put the mudguard back on. You can then put the vehicle wheel back in place and lower your car to the ground, not forgetting to fully fix the wheel in place. Turn the key 3 times to fill the filter by means of the diesel pump. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.